Welcome to Kids Teen.
Good morning, rise and shine. Wake up early, feeling fine. Stretch your arms and touch your toes. Wash your face and clean your nose. Brush your teeth, keep them clean and bright beneath. Comb your hair and smile all day. Good habits help in every way. In every way. Eat your breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Healthy food for everyone. Milk and fruits give energy too, helping you learn something new. Oh no! Teddy wore one shoe. Where's the other? Nobody knew. Teddy lies. Now both shoes are on. Great! Pack your bag and check your books. Don't forget your homework looks. Water bottle by your side. Off to school with happy pride. Brush your teeth. Keep them clean and bright beneath. Eat habits, stay clean, be cool. Ready for school. Wave goodbye and start your day. Learning, laughing, work and play. Good habits make you bright and smart. A happy child with a happy heart. Click subscribe for fun videos. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.